Okay, we're going to weld it all together now, starting with the axle. Make sure you file beforehand, you file a groove there right in the middle, otherwise the bush ring won't fit. So that's one thing. Put the axle here, you can see it sits right in the middle of this jig. That's for welding the axle. It's got to sit up straight there. Put a little plate here so it's nice. That's in line, that's in line, and this plate is to hold it, clamp it in place. And what we're going to do now is, move a little bit. Yep. What we're going to do now is tack it first. For that, the gas is on, turn the welder on. For this bit we got the voltage on 6 and the wire speed on 4. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a tack here and I'm going to put a tack there to hold it in place, and then I can finish off the welding all together. There we go. Are you ready? Yep. I've tacked these together. Break it out. Hopefully. Put a tack on this side as well. I've tacked it together, and I'm going to make the weld here, here, and on this other side as well. The V-plate onto the axle. So for this one. Now we're gonna weld the bush rings onto the axle plate. For that, we got this little jig here that goes over to hold it in the right spot. Put the ring in the right place. Okay. This is a little bit of a tricky operation. We put the voltage on 4 and the wire speed on 3. So it's a bit slower. First of all, put 2 little bolts in. Put in 2 little dots. Sorry. Little tacks to get it in the right spot. Just below here. And oftentimes this one bends up and you're going to push it back, but in this case it didn't, so this can go in straight away. Alright, now it's in place. I'll take out the little jig here and do a whole bunch of dots around it to get it in the right spot. Now the ring is in place, and we'll do the same with bush ring on this side as well. And then we go to the next one. Do the same with bush ring on this side as well, and then we go to the next step.
Three, two, one, action.
Okay, now we're gonna weld the pivot point onto the V-plate, and then this part of the truck is finished. For that, first we put the pivot point here in the jig. Put that one on. Like that. And again we tack it. Oh, sorry. The voltage is going to go back to 6. And the wire speed is going to go back to 4. You got that? I show you reading it. Alright, there we go. Take it. Take the other side as well. Take the axle out. Put it in place. And the other side. And there's your finished axle. And that's how it will all go together.